Video, we have yet another JAMB question. Here we are asked to make n the subject of the formula if we are given this equation. So making n the subject of the formula, what do? Solution. For more on this topic, you need to subscribe to this channel. The first thing to do is to cross multiply. So if we cross multiply, we'll have something like this: w into 1 minus c n equal to v 2 plus cn. So this is what we'll get. The next thing to do is to open the brackets, both for the left hand side and the right hand side. So opening this bracket, we have w into minus cnw to be equal to 2v plus cnv. Of course, 2v will come over to this side, then cnw will go over to this side. It's like collecting like terms. So we say w minus 2v, because this is positive. As it's coming over to this place, it becomes negative. Meanwhile, this is negative. As it's going over to this other side, it becomes positive. We have it to be equal to cnv minus cnw. So the next thing to do is to take like terms. Since we are asked to find n, we are asked to make n the subject of formula. So we can write this as, we can bring n out here and write it as cv minus cw to be equal to, this is already here, w minus 2v. So the next thing to do is to divide both sides by cv minus cw to make n the subject of the formula. So we have it as n into cv minus cw all over cv minus cw equal to w minus 2v all over cv minus cw. So this is what we'll get. Of course, this will cancel this. So we are left with n, which is the subject of the formula now, to be w minus 2v all over cv minus cw. So this becomes the solution to the given question, where we are asked to make n the subject of the formula. For more on this topic or on this tutorial video, you need to subscribe to this channel.